Welcome to Pantry War. Hey, welcome to a brand new year. It's all about New Year's resolutions, organizing, declutter, de-stress. We're doing all these things, mental, physical, spiritual, but we're going to try to save some money. Are you ready to see a Martha Stewart pantry? Prepare to be wowed. I mean, it's like a picture from a magazine. Click! My friend challenged us to a pantry war. What's a pantry war, you might ask? Well, let me tell you. Okay, we're going to take everything in here, block that from your view, everything in the fridge, freezer, and use it. Not buy groceries, see how far we can go. I'm thinking we'll get through January, and we're giving $100 each to like supplement, because I don't have butter in here, and butter's going to run out in there. Get the staple. Price of groceries is bananas. It's actually a grocery. See what I did? Okay, price of groceries is nuts. Did it again. Price of groceries, everybody knows. Crazy, right? And we do have chickens. We also have some vegetables left. Can you believe it? We've had a really mild winter, so very few, but that's pretty fun. Very similar to artificial intelligence. I'm going to take the list of everything in the fridge, freezer, pantry. I'm not, because I'm not that organized. I'm not going to do that, but put it in here, artificial intelligence, and come up with some great recipes. Join the challenge. I'd love to see what you guys chef up, and maybe we can help each other with recipes. I made a killer. We had some pepperoni, provolone, and sourdough. Made this awesome grilled pizza sandwich. Anyway, I'm excited. You should be excited. We're going to save a whole bunch of money. We're going to organize the pantry in the process because we're using it, taking it out, and we're not filling it back in. And we're going to have a lot of fun doing it. Again, we're going to get creative, save a bunch of money, and get our lives organized. How far can you get in 25 with $100? I'm just going to give you an example. We have 2 huge bags of these grain-free tortilla chips. Nobody loves them. Vegan. I bet it's like a $20 bag, right? Avocado oil. Stay tuned for my grain-free tortilla chip recipe. Oh man, we could have s'mores until next July. I am ready to use everything we have left in the house from 2024. It's still good, maybe questionable, and eat it.